In this video, we'll look at how to archive a user's content before removing them from your organization, ensuring that shared projects they own and their other materials remain accessible. First, you'll need to deactivate the user. Click the organization button at the top and search for the user you want to deactivate. Click the three-dot menu next to the user and select Deactivate. Once the user has been deactivated, open the Deactivated Users tab. Click the three-dot menu next to the user and select Archive Content and Delete. Transfer all content to another user is selected by default. Choose the recipient, then click Confirm Delete. The transferred content will appear in a folder named after the deleted user in the recipient's account. You can also deactivate and delete multiple users at once by selecting them and clicking the trash icon. That's it! You can now safely delete a user without losing their content. If you have any questions about archiving content, contact our support team.